dancing in the sun. He shakes his mane ready to run. He opens his mouth and roars so loud. Out in the grasslands, big and strong, the elephant stomps as he walks along. He lifts his trunk and makes a sound. A zebra is running black and white. Stripes are shining in the light. She neighs and whinnies as she goes. Zebra goes whinny, whinny, whinny. High in the trees, monkey swings, laughing and jumping, oh what a thing. He chatters loudly, hear him sing. Monkey goes ooh. Giraffe with a long, long neck, reaching for leaves, what the heck. She hums and chews so soft and slow. Giraffe goes A big gray hippo in the water deep, splashing around before his sleep. He grunts and snorts, what a sound. Mutant hippo goes ham down hard. Watch the crocodile swim in the lake, sneaky and quiet, no sound to make. Then he snaps his jaws, oh my. Stop that! A rhino stomps across the land with a big sharp horn. He looks so grand. He huffs and puffs, strong and loud. Whoa! A colorful parrot flies up high, flapping his wings through the sky. He squawks and talks all day long. Squawk. Through the grass, a snake slides slow, wiggling and slithering, there he goes. He hisses softly as he glides.